Jasmy holders, you are about to finally quit your job, because if you are paying attention to what Jasmy is saying, the price of Jasmy is currently trading around 0.0133, and Jasmy price chart on the daily time frame is about to do something very, very crazy, which is going to take the bears by surprise. If you're paying attention to Jasmy MACD indicator on the daily time frame, let's talk about the MACD real quick before we proceed. Now, if you're paying attention to the Jasmy MACD, the MACD line, which is the blue line, has finally crossed above the orange line, which is the signal line. And the moment this is happening, this is bullish confirmation number 1. Now, the bullish confirmation number 2 for Jasmycoin is we printing a bullish histogram. As you can see, the Jasmy histogram on the daily time frame finally printed a green histogram. Now, which is confirmation number 2, right? Good. Now, confirmation number 3 would be for Jasmycoin to break above this resistance level we are approaching, which is around 0.0138. We are now in the territory of that resistance zone. Now, the moment Jasmy is tapping into that resistance, we should expect a slight correction from there before flipping it into a support, which is confirmation number 3 for a bullish rally. Now, let's go back to the MACD indicator for Jasmy. If you're paying attention, the MACD indicator, both the MACD line and the signal line are far below the histogram and also the zero line. Now, the moment the MACD line and the signal line is going above the histogram and the signal line, just like it did like this in around July 2025, then no, Jasmy price is going to be in an explosive phase. Jasmy has been underwater for too long, for so long that a lot of us, the Jasmy believers that have been believing in Jasmy since 2021, were beginning to lose faith and get disappointed. I think our time has finally arrived, seriously. So we need to see, the moment you're seeing the signal line and the MACD line going above the zero line and above the green histogram, is going to be too late for whoever wants to take an entry into Jasmycoin. If you're here to like this video, please destroy the like button. For those new to this channel, my name is Isaac. You're welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel before leaving. Turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video. For those here to like this video, please smash the like button, like this video, share it with your friends and family. Now, let's go back to the chart. Like I said earlier, we just need to see Jasmy flip the 0.0138 into a support, maybe a double bottom, because we have a lot of liquidity there. We are likely to get a rejection from there, but it's going to be a slight rejection because the market sentiment is already very, very bullish, has turned bullish. If you're paying attention to the entire cryptocurrency market fear and greed index sentiment, you will notice we are now currently in the greed territory, indicating 64%. Yesterday was neutral, 49%. Last week, 44% fear. So it's obvious Q4 2025 is going to be ultra bullish for altcoins and also for Jasmycoin. Historically, Q4 has been ultra bullish for the entire market. But considering we are in a bull market, and not just in a bull market, the bull market is left with less than 4% to come to an end. I think we are beginning to gradually see the light at the end of the tunnel. A lot of people are still going to get sidelined, sadly. Now, let's go back to Jasmy real quick. This was the previous Jasmy chart we were talking about. The moment we are flipping that zone, which is 0.038 or 39 zone, into a support, then it's going to be a confirmation, I think, number 3 for the bulls. The final confirmation is when we flip the 2 cent zone into a support, then it is going to be game over for the bears. We are just going to talk about the BTC dominance and nothing more. I've tried my best possible to keep reminding you to bring this chart to you guys' attention for those that are confused. Now, last time BTC dominance dumped aggressively in 2017 market cycle, we had an aggressive altcoin rally, Now, same thing happened in 2021 when we had an aggressive altcoin rally when BTC dominance dumped aggressively to the bottom. And if you notice, the bottom is usually around the 39-40% level. Now, we are expecting that dump to happen very, very soon, which is likely to be this quarter 4. Today is 2nd of October 2025. We are just left with October, November, December. 3 months left. Now, the moment that aggressive dump begins, I'm going to update you guys on the Telegram channel of when to start scaling out massively from your altcoin positions. Like seriously. Because the moment the BTC dominance is approaching the 44% level and 42% level, I think it will be wise to start scaling out massively out of your position in order to avoid getting used as an exit liquidity by the market makers and the whales. Now, if you're paying attention to the BTC dominance monthly time frame MACD indicator, you would notice the last time the BTC dominance MACD line crossed below the signal line and also went below the zero line and also below the bearish histogram, the altcoin market skyrocketed aggressively. That was when we had the altcoin season in 2017. Now pay attention, same thing happened in 2020, 2021 market cycle as well. When the MACD line crossed below the signal line and also below the zero line and also below the red histogram, for the BTC dominance, the market skyrocketed, as you can see over here. When that happened, when that MACD line crossed below was when we got the aggressive dump to the downside. Now, if you're paying attention right now, we've printed 3 bearish histograms so far on the BTC dominance. We've printed 3 bearish histograms so far on the BTC dominance MACD indicator on the monthly time frame. And also, the MACD line has successfully crossed below the signal line, which is now indicating that we are now in an obvious earliest phase of the altcoin season. Now, the worst thing you would want to do is trying to time the exact entry or your exact exit. You might end up getting sidelined. The best thing to do is to enter once you've gotten confluence and confirmations like this. Because the market is clearly showing and clearly signaling that it is about to explode. Just like it did in 2021 when the BTC dominance dumped, and also 2017 when the BTC dominance dropped aggressively. If you are zooming into the MACD line, you clearly see that we've printed 3 histograms. Like I said earlier, the MACD line has crossed below the signal line. Next thing that is going to send us into the blow-up phase is when both the MACD line and the signal line crosses below the zero line and also below the red histogram. We are going to print more red histogram. More red histogram, the MACD indicator BTC dominance prints the more aggressive the altcoin market rally. As always, my name is Isaac. If you're here to like this video, please smash the like button, destroy the like button. Peace out.